Alright guys, here's the 8 kilowatt diesel heater running. Plumbed out the garage door. Carbon monoxide. She blows good. Can't really see the fuel level, but run pretty much 2-3 days on that. Check them out. I got the cheap controller just to change it. It doesn't have a thermostat or nothing on it. I didn't want anything fancy like that. Also use it in my fish house. It's connected right to the deep cycle. And then of course, run a battery charger on it. Keeps the garage 65 degrees. It's cold out. And I just grab a 5-gallon can. Alright, good luck. Buy one. Very efficient.